Hola everybody! I am Vishesh and today I will perform an experiment, an physics light experiment in which I will be mixing green light with red light which is supposed to form yellow light. So let's do it! As you can see, I have turned all of the lights in this room off. So this is my white plain surface and this is the emergency light which I will be using along with a torch. Now I have covered my emergency light by green gelatin paper, and as you can see, this is the light coming through the gelatin paper. This is our green light and this is my torch. I have covered it with red gelatin paper and this is my red light. Now let's see what happens when we combine both of these. Assistant, green light. Push, push. Then this I am mixing my red light, taking the red light a little back so that it will spread in a more larger area. And look, the lights combined are turning into yellow light, and thus I have proved that combining green light with red light in a dark room makes yellow light. Thank you.